Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso wakho eKaizer Chiefs izodlala nezamaleki. Sizo-predictor i-first starting lineup or abantu aba-right ukuthi bangaqala igame, ukuthi kubhentshwe bani, obani kumele badlale. Nizokhuluma ngo-Cross ukuthi bamncoma kangakanani, no-Dominic Isaacs ukuthi uthini nge-Kaizer Chiefs after i-disappointing game yabo laphana e-Egypt, nanokuthi bangalungisa kanjani izinto. Obviously-ke umuntu okumele aqale unumber one nje bafowethu uNgcobo laphana esiswini kumele aqale uNgcobo. I think uNgconywana bafowethu, yazi why ngithi kumele aqale uNgcobo? Cause ngimbone kulama game lawa e-Africa uNgcobo udlale kahle kakhulu. Bheka le game eyeSimba bafowethu, i-last game la badlalele uku-qualify for ama-group stage ukuthi bekadlala kahle kangakanani laphana esiswini, a-create ama-opportunities. Cause mabadominate igame kumele badinga umuntu okwazi ukushaya ama-forward pass, hhayi umuntu oshaya ama-pass wala eduze nje kuphela. So uNgcobo e-Africa ku-CAF bafowethu, he has been one of the most standout players or the best players for i-team laphana lapha ku-midfield or ku-central. Is by far the best midfielder at the moment ku-CAF. Ngizokhuluma ngaku-CAF kulama game engimbonile awadlala. Sikhumbule ukuthi udlale i-first leg laphana number 10 asemuva kwamayo, first leg laphana eCongo. Uyakwazi ukuhandle i-hit. Siyazi ukuthi ukumaka akusi i-power yakhe in terms of ukumaka, but if they wanna be offensive kakhulu baya phambili, badinga umuntu ozokwazi ukubashayela, bashaya lawo ma-pass lawo, because is a better passer than abantu abaningi abadlala laphana ezama-midfielders etimini. So uye umuntu oqale kumele bamcabange nje laphana esiswini. But-ke siyazi ukuthi i-lineup ye-Chiefs i-unpredictable, kungenzeka noma yini. Inacho Miguel kumele bambhentshe, uDuplessis bangacabangi nokucabanga ukuqala ngaye bafethu, usemuva kabi uDuplessis ukuthi aqale i-match out of the blue. Bench uNacho Miguel awumbhentshi because of uthi hayi indaba yakhe ayisekho, no. Umuntu owenza amaphutha, multiple amaphutha, lese amaphutha ambalwa egemini, uregain i-confidence yakhe ebhentshini, kunikwa abanye abantu i-opportunity, yabo. Given Msimangu ubuyile, uMakhathi ukhona for i-second leg lana e-home. Sengithi i-second leg man, i-second match yama-group stages, i-match important kakhulu ukuthi i-team iwin. So don't start Duplessis, don't start Inacho Miguel. Maybe-ke laphana ku-number 9 ungaqala ngoSilva, but usiqala ngoSilva, but-ke uSilva akadlala i-position yakhe, ningafuni ukummakisa, ningafuni ukuthi adrobhe deep. Kuninzi icula lento le bafethu, icula kuze kubuye uJesu. uSilva laphana phambili uye umuntu okumele aqale as i-striker, because of kuyafana noma baqalisa iKataro bafuna ukumdlalisa as i-defensive striker, angiyazi le position abafuna ukumdlalisa yona mina. Then uVelebayi une-speed esi-right. uMfundo Vilakazi uhlakaniphe kabi bafethu, create something out of nothing. Abaqalisa uVelebayi noMfundo Vilakazi and then baqalisa uShabalala. uShabalala uyakwazi ukuconnecta nalabadlali bowu-2 ba-connecta kahle kakhulu, baya-understand-ana. And then emva kwaShabalala ku-central, and then uye-ke uNgcobo, and then emuva kwakhe ku-DM u-Ox Mthethwa. u-Ox uzokumakela but ukuphasa, but kumele ubambe ibhola aphase uNgcobo i-option yakhe, and then uNgcobo uyazi ukuthi kumele yenzeni ngebhola bakwethu. Ngcono kaphase emuva u-Ox kunokuthi aluze ibhola nje kalula. But yeah, laphana ku-left back uCross udlala kahle kakhulu bafethu. uCross akahlali laphana uCross. Ku-right back Thabiso Munyane is way better than uSolomons, especially the game of this magnitude against iZamalek. Kumele aqale uThabiso Munyane. Thabiso Munyane is well balanced, naphambili i-decision making yakhe right. Solomons i-poor decision making yakhe. Ukorile, congratulations, but-ke si-play kumele liqale. Kumele liqale than uThabiso Munyane lapha ku-right back, ngeke bafethu. Noma kungenziwa lento le yokuvota between uSolomons noMunyane, angeke awine uSolomons. Then ugoalkeeper siyazi ukuthi uPeterson. Then ku-back four I would say qalisa uGiven Msimango noKwinika phela laphana emuva. Yibo abadlali laba abangakwazi ukuyilwela laphana i-team. uGiven Msimango mabamnika opportunity bafuna uyazitesta in a way, audition ukuthi yes sobuyile mfethu, but-ke u-ready na ukulwela i-team, u-ready ukudeliver, and then azibonakalise ukuthi uzodeliver or ngeke adeliver. I-audition yakhe njengoba abuyile ku-injury, but une-strength, une-height, unayo leyo nto leyo, i-presence yokuthi angakwazi ukukhompyutha ne-aggression yaku-continental level, because of bazoba rough abezamaleki, but ba-away ngeke babe rough than at home. So at home modlala nabe-Egypt kuba nzima kakhulu, so i-must ukuthi away ubashaye, ungabayeki away, kumele ubashaye, ayikho nje enye ukuthi uzobancenga, bayashaywa away. So i-Chiefs manje under pressure serious because of kumele bawine wonke ama-home games, and then away futhi kumele bakwazi ukuthola ama-point ukuthi bakwazi ukuphumelela noma ukuya kuma-knockout stages of the competition, yabo. So it's not an easy one. Then-ke abantu abangaba influential, let's say coming from the bench, uGustin Sereno singa-expect ukuthi maybe angene second half akwazi uku-change i-game depending on ukuthi ama-results ahamba kanjani laphana ku-scoreboard, but uGustin Sereno umuntu abangakwazi ukudlala ngaye. Oh, futhi banama-options even noLilepo ngathi uzobe khona, I'm not sure, but uLilepo beyangalimelanga even from the beginning. Hhayi iskeleme i-Chiefs, yeah. Just bona bafeel i-pressure from ama-fans, bavusa le injury le yaseDobsonville, but the following game udlalile bazositshela ngaleya injury, but asikho lapha. Thi sibheke abanye, Pulemodi akumelanga asondele nasegrawundini kule game le, maybe kwamanye amagame aku-Betway Premiership singambona, but hhayi kule akafuneki. Possibly maybe second half kuzobonakala uSilva if nje bazomthola kuma-good positions, ngiyacabanga kwi-position e-good, ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzokwazi ukudiliva, uzokwazi ukudlala kahle kakhulu bafowethu. To be fair, le squad lesi engisishilo engisiphrediktile or i-line-up yami inhle kakhulu, ngiyayibona idlala kahle, yibo nje abafana kuphela abanga-disappoint-a kuphela. Konke iZamalek man akusiyo ama-magicians, abantu abashayekayo laphana, ngibabonile badlala neZesco ukuthi bona bayathemba, and then badlala as i-team, i-unit, and then badlalela ukuyiwina nje i-competition, bona abazange ukuzodlala. So imagine-ke wena usazama, usathi ayawazi, awuna-sure, udlala ne-team e-sure ukuthi uzoyiwina yona i-competition, noma kuthiwa ngeke bayiwine but ba-sure baya ku-competition all out, bafuna ukuyiwina i-competition. Asimuveni ku-Cross. U-Cross bafowethu, abantu abanye sebajabule kakhulu ukuthi u-Cross uke wadlala kuma-development wakhe noma wabo, ukuthi bamselekte laphana kuBafana Bafana. Siyazi ukuthi i-prelim squad, but-ke loyo recognition seyijabulisa abantu, nabanye abantu sebayaqala bayakhuluma. Ubani uDiaz uke wamcoacha laphana umfana, or uke waba ku-academy yakhe. Buthi-ke lento into enkulu kakhulu, and then i-provide bona as a point of, let me just use i-point of reference ku-club yabo laphana, noma yena uthe referral, but ngizoti reference ukuthi sonke si-understand-e kalula. So uDiaz uphinde wakhuluma futhi wathi uClive Barker bafowethu, ucoach cabanga wawina laphana, wawinisa iBafana Bafana ngo-1996 i-AFCON, wayejabule noma excited ukumbona uCross laphana ukuthi udlala kahle kangakanani. So uClive Barker kuthiwa naye bekanokumtrainer laphana uCross at times, yena nama-teammates wakhe laphana kuma-lower levels. Kuthiwa-ke uClive Barker memmbona laphana kokuqala uCross wasmile noma waye-excited kakhulu ukumbona umfana ukuthi hhayi there's something here la. So bekaya laphana kuma-junior ranks or kuma-development abacoach kwesinye isikhathi, like sometimes nje bekwenzeka naye, ngoba uClive Barker kuthiwa kuleya development laphana bekayi-technical director, but-ke bekawathanda ama-development, sometimes nje bekafuna ukuzicoachela yena abafana. So ulo Cross kuthiwa he was amongst the group that was sent through ulona uClive's hands, ukuthi they all love the experience. It's always encouraging when the boys go through to play professional and get to be considered for the national team. But-ke we can easily tell the boys that we have now that Bradley was also once just like them as a 13-year-old at the club. So bayasho nje lapho ukuthi hayi into e-right kakhulu ukuthi babe nomdlali odlala ezingeni eliphezulu ku-professional, bazokwazi ukumotivate obvious nabadlali babo noma labadlali abanabo laphana ethimini, ukuthi nangomunye bafowethu wayedlala la ufana nani, so nani ningakwazi ukufika lapha, but-ke obvious kuya ngokuwumisela. To be honest, uCross bafowethu umisele kakhulu laphana, noma kuthiwa i-team ayenze kahle at times, but hhayi la position uvalile laphana ku-left back. I think into emotivate-ayo enye ukuthi phela khona noMago kunzima kakhulu-ke this time around. So naye uCross uya-understand ukuthi menikwe i-opportunity ukuthi adlale kumele emisele kakhulu. Once waphuma ethimini and then thola ukuthi uMarco uyangena, uMarco uphefoma kahle for the next 7 games, uyabona ukuthi ama-minutes wakhe azoba limited. So team enkulu, when you are given an opportunity to play, you play like it's your last game, cause kungaba i-opportunity yokuqala, eyokugcina, but you might not know at the time ukuthi this is the last opportunity ozoyithola. So kumele uyisebenzise le opportunity lo oyitholayo bafowethu. uCross, there were doubts obvious last season about yena, but ukwazile ukubuya this season highly motivated. Udlala kahle kakhulu at the moment. Simfisela inhlanhla nje ukuthi umfana aqhubeke njalo amisele and zame ngempela ukulokhu njani ukusiza ilokhu njani i-team kwazi ukuconnecta kahle nama-players wakhe and everything nje, everything ibe right laphana. So so far so good for yena uCross bafowethu, so far so good. I see beautiful things coming ngomlungu. I didn't think bekazos-owna lesa space lesi, but or leya position, but-ke akusho ukuthi phela sekaya-owna. uMarco uzowathola ama-opportunity-ke ukuthi adlale naye, uzoziprova, but siyamazi ukuthi u-offerani uMarco when he's given an opportunity to play. Kuzobonakala nje ngabo-coach ukuthi bona baplay-na kanjani nje kuphela. Kuzoba tough kuleya position leya, to be honest, kuzoba very very tough bafowethu. But uCross, I think I don't think uCross mina in terms of ukumaka u-powerful, I don't think that, but I can respect him ukuthi uhlakaniphile, umaka ngokuhlakanipha, uyazi i-strength sakhe nama-weaknesses wakhe, uhlakaniphile-ke mezokumakela. Akaveli nje akhomithe, akaveli and uyazi ukuthi mawuphethe because of akanaso i-speed. I remember even last season he was exposed ubani, uNkotha laphana amtholisa even ne-red card, but uyazi ukuthi akanaso i-speed, maybe akanaso i-strength, uzokuguide isikhathi esiningi and ukuthi lese akakulandeli ukuthi uye naye lese elayinini ukuthi umbhithe easy, noma esekavela adrobhe deep kancane. Then he will be calculative ukuthi uzokhomitha or akakhomithi. But yeah man, he's one of the highest or noma the best performing players at the moment kuKaizer Chiefs. Kumele simncome umfowethu, no mistake kuye bafowethu, no mistake laphana, wenza everything right. So even if you wanna complain, but you can't complain about him at the moment, udlala kahle kakhulu. So aqhubeke umfana ayibambe kanjalo, aperforme for i-team. Khona I was seeing something la ukuthi khona ama-comment obviously-ke bafethu from abantu kuthiwa uGustin Sirino or lese ama-fans nje kuthiwa uGustin Sirino uye i-signing enkulu laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, like i-best signing for the past 2 years mawubheka bonke abadlali abake bafika kuKaizer Chiefs. I think in terms of i-talent siyazi ukuthi uGustin Sirino super talented. Obviously ezinye izinto kumele alungise nje iconsi, iphathanga elisalungiseka bafethu una-34, but yeah umdlali o-important o-right kakhulu for i-Chiefs. But bawubheka kubadlali abawu-11 laba abafikile, i-best signing so far could be uSilva bafowethu, could be uSilva, yeah, could be uSilva because of with ama-minutes wakhe amancane, but-ke mengena uyakwazi ukuba i-threat, uyakwazi uku-create ama-chances, uyakwazi ukukora for i-team, aqhubeke nje. Kufuneka amagoli bafowethu laphana e-New Peter Mokaba Stadium against iZamalek. Thank you bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi i-page liyakhula. Abafuna ukufaka something bafowethu bangadonate, na ngizofaka la nayilo nasisithombe sama-details.